Okay, there's one scheduled maintenance that isn't on the list of what you should do with your car. And on my car, I'm going to do it right now. And you should probably do this every 50,000 miles or so. I don't know how many miles, but it should be done. And what I got here on my Kia is the radiator cap. And I've replaced the fluid, but I never replaced the radiator cap, so I'm going to replace that. And here's the OEM one. If you're going to do this, get an OEM one. Don't get like a generic one, and make you sure it's a real OEM and not a fake one. Make sure it's not hot, and that you can remove the cap without hurting yourself. Let it cool down before you do this. You're going to have to give them your VIN number to make sure you get the right one too. So they look exactly the same. Okay, so this is the old one. It doesn't look worn or anything, but sometimes this rubber can be all deteriorated. And I haven't had any problems, so I just wanted to make sure I replaced this. It cost about $11 at the dealer. And sometimes what happens is they either don't open or they stay closed. You could actually do a pressure check on this and see what happens.